of it. Well, it's a cold day here at Albert Park. It's still working. It's working. It's working. Okay, so I had this idea to shoot hoops and put the GoPro on the ground and have the ball go through the hoop in slow motion. I thought that would make a really cool video, which it does. And my brother is a really, really good shot. It hit the GoPro twice, and on the second time it shattered the back of the screen. I had it on a towel, but it still shattered because I dropped it at the basketball court about a month ago. And I got that on film too. It fell off me and it's stuck on 2.7K at 120 frames per second in wide, which is not a bad setting because I did a poll on my Instagram page and everybody said that was their favorite setting. We found glass in my towel, we found glass on my jumper and got in my finger and I took it out. Look, GoPro wound. 18, 28. Really interesting. Alright, try a shot.
I feel that's going to happen a lot.
Yeah.
Oh, hold on. Shoot from the side, maybe it won't go straight on.
I think it's pretty good. Let's try another one from over there.
Oh, it's dead straight on. Alright. I got a feeling because I'm straight on, it just goes.
No, it's fine. Let's risk it.
I think the towel is the best idea for the shot. Oh yeah, that's the
So don't tell me anything about that, because I actually really...
Sorry. Did you edit that?
Perfect. Yeah, it's hit a couple of times and it's fine.
You probably get it.
Yeah, that's what I said. You know what would be really cool is if I put this in slow motion and it did hit the lens, I might change the setting.
Oh my goodness! I'm so sorry.
That's not your fault.
I did not.
Oh, you know what's cool? I just put it on slow-mo.
Yes.
You feel bad still?
But they were both me.
It's because you're a good shot. I don't feel bad, it's not your fault, and I risked it. No, it's fine, let's risk it. And I knew what I was doing. And I'm pretty happy with that.